Welcome to this video on industrial electrical wiring. We'll be covering everything from selecting the right cable types to ensuring safe installation practices for industrial circuits. This training series covers 6 modules, beginning with cable and conductor types and ending with safety and testing. By the end, you'll be able to read wiring diagrams and install conductors to code. Our modules include cable and conductor types, conduit systems, distribution panels, grounding and bonding, motor control wiring, and safety and testing. Each section provides essential knowledge for industrial electrical work. Module 1 focuses on choosing the correct cable. Common types include THHN for conduit, XHHW2 for wet locations, MC cable for mechanical protection, and VFD cable for noise reduction. Module 2 covers conduit systems. Select your raceway based on the environment. EMT for dry indoor areas, RMC for heavy industrial use, PVC for corrosive environments, and FMC for flexible connections to motors. Remember the NEC 40% fill rule. In Module 3, we discuss distribution panels. Industrial systems are high voltage, so safety is paramount. Always balance 3-phase loads, follow the 80% rule for breakers, and maintain the 36-inch clear working space. Module 4 focuses on grounding and bonding. Grounding limits overvoltage, connecting the neutral to earth. Bonding connects metal enclosures to ensure fault current returns safely to the source. They are 2 separate safety requirements. Module 5 covers motor control. You need a contactor to switch power and an overload relay for protection. Control circuits must be separate. Size motor circuits correctly using the L1 to T1, L2 to T2, L3 to T3 rule. Module 6 is about safety and testing. Always follow the LOTO sequence before working. Verify absent voltage with a calibrated meter. Use insulation resistance testing and a phase rotation check before commissioning to prevent damage. For quick reference, remember key NEC rules. This includes working clearances, the 80% rule for continuous loads, minimum grounding resistance, conductor ampacity derating, and motor circuit sizing. The key takeaways emphasize matching cables and conduits to the environment, balancing loads, separating grounding and bonding, correctly sizing motor circuits, and rigorously following LOTO and testing procedures. Review the NEC articles listed for continued learning.